Magandang araw mga bata, narito na ang ating huling week na aralin sa mathematics ngayong quarter 2. Week 8 na tayo at tatalakayin natin ang pagsulat ng addends vertically at ibibigay natin ang sum. So ngayon, let's have a review. 45 plus 4, sulat natin dito sa ating place value chart. So, 45 plus 4. So, let's add 5 plus 4. Yung 5 nasa isip, 4 nasa kamay. So, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, the answer is 9. Then, dahil walang katapat ang 4, ibababa natin siya. So, the answer is 49. Next, 32 plus 26. 32 plus 26. So, let's add 2 plus 6. Umpisa tayo sa malaking number. 6 plus 2, 6, 7, 8. So, the answer here is 8. Then, 3 plus 2 is 5. Next, we have 53 plus 5. So, 53 plus 5. So, 5 plus 3. Yung iba alam kong alam na. 5 plus 3 starts with 5. 5, 6, 7, 8. So, the answer here is 8. Tapos, ibaba natin ng 5. So, the answer is 58. Next, 12 plus 71. So, 12 plus 71. So, 2 plus 1, 2, 3. Then, 7 plus 1, 7, 8. 83 is the answer. Next, 24 plus 15. So, 24 plus 15. So, we have 4 plus 5. Start tayo sa 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. So, the answer is 9. Then, 2, 3. The answer is 339. So, at the end of the lesson, the learner should be able to solve problem involving addition. So, problem solving tayo ha. So, ito ang ating unang problem. Si Mar ay may 24 o 24 na marbles o holen. Si Kat naman ay may 12 o 12 na marbles o holen. Ilang marbles mayroon silang lahat? So, subukan natin. Ang bilang ng marbles ni Mar ay 24 at kay Kat ay 12. So, paano natin ito isusulat vertically? So, we can do this. 24 plus 12. So, 4 plus 2 is 6 and 2 plus 1 is 3. So, ginagawa na natin to nung nakaraan pang aralin. So, dapat master nyo na to. Next. Mayroong 72 o 72 na itlog sa basket. Dinagdagan ito ni Nilo ng 15 o 15 na itlog. Ilan lahat ang itlog? So, ang bilang ng itlog ay 72. Tapos, dinagdagan ito ng 15. Ayan, ganito natin to isusulat vertically. So, let's add 2 plus 5. Start tayo sa 5. So, 5, 6, 7. So, the answer here is 7. Then, 7, 8. The answer here is 8. Okay, next we have 20 na bata ang nasa bus. 15 na bata pa ang sumakay, ilan lahat ang bata? So, bilang ng sumakay ng bata ay 20 at nadagdagan pa ito ng 20. Paano natin ito isusulat vertically? So, this is 20 plus 15. So, 5 plus 0 is 5 and 2 plus 1 is 3. So, the answer is 35. Next, may 12 na candy sa jar. Nagdagdag si Pam ng 17 pa na candy. Ilan lahat ang candy? So, ang bilang ng candy sa jar ay 12. At nadagdagan pa ito ng 17, paano ito isusulat vertically? So, we have 12 plus 17. So, let's add 7 and 2. So, 7, 8, 9. So, the answer here is 9. Then, 1 plus 1 is 2, 29. Tandaan, sa pag-solve ng word problem, dapat ay unawain natin yung sitwasyon upang maibigay ang tamang solusyon. Kapag din ito ay 2-digit number na pagsasamahin, mas mabilis makuha ang sagot kung ito ay nakaayos vertically o pababa. So ngayon, let's answer this problem. Teacher, there are 23 chairs in the room. Teacher Cat adds 42 more. How many chairs are now in the room? So let's try to answer here this one. So let's write 23 plus 42. So let's add 3 plus 2. The answer is 5. And then 4 plus 2 is 6. So there are 65 chairs in all. Next. Mar has 36 popsicle sticks. Dami. His friend gave him 22 pieces more. How many popsicle sticks does he have in all? So let's write here the solution in vertical form. 36 plus 22. So we have 6 plus 2 is 8 and 3 plus 2 is 5. So there are 58 popsicle sticks. So, ito naman. Ibigay ang sum ng sumusunod. So, 0 plus 5 is 5. 6 plus 3, so 6, 7, 8, 9. So, the answer here is 9. Then, 3 plus 5 is 8. And 2 plus 4 is 6. And for the last number, we have 4 plus 54. So, 4 plus 4 is 8. Remember that ha, para hindi na kayo magbibilang. Then, dahil ang 5 ay walang kapartner, ibaba natin siya. So, the answer here is 58. Yan. So, that would be all. Diba? Padali ng padali kasi paulit-ulit lang yun ang ating lesson. Practice lang kayo ng practice para mas gumaling pa kayo. Okay? So, hanggang sa muli. Paalam!